fresh milk strawberry yogurt that much that I'm always drinking this almost every day actually. Healthy kasi siya. It's healthy. Meron siyang strawberry, fresh milk, and yogurt. So, it's healthy.